Designed by the Renzo Piano Building Workshop, the Morgan Library and Museum added exhibition spaces to the personal library of the financier, collector, and cultural benefactor Pierpont Morgan. Completed in 1906, adjacent to Morgan's residence in New York City, the library was designed by Charles McKim of the architectural firm McKim, Mead White. The museum project increased exhibition space and added visitor amenities. The design, completed in 2006, integrated the Morgan's 3 historical buildings with 3 new steel and glass pavilions connected by a central court. Stop by the cafe and see this building while you're in New York City.